What if learning a language felt like taking a trip, not to a classroom, but through real places and rich culture? Welcome to A Turkish Trip into Language and Landmarks, a unique visual Turkish course built for beginners, travelers, and curious minds guided through Turkey using Google Earth. With 29 video episodes, matching worksheets, and review videos, you'll learn beginner Turkish through real dialogues, guided grammar, and immersive cultural context, all clearly explained in English. The worksheets include over 500 pages of guided practice, featuring more than 1,400 questions, over 800 illustrated vocabulary items, notes summarizing each video lesson, and dozens of concise learning tips, all carefully integrated into each chapter. Grammar is made visual and intuitive, with clear examples and creative illustrations that help it stick. You'll explore food, film, music, history, and everyday encounters, all while building a strong foundation in Turkish through a continuous story-driven journey. No faces, no lectures, just me guiding you through the language and landmarks of Turkey. Hop in and let this language trip carry you across culture, conversation, and unforgettable places.